Hi, this is Pete with Wrap My Spyder. Today we're working with a Can-Am Spyder 2020 RT Limited on the top case, and we are going to show you how to dry mount the center part of the top case stripe. So we offer various products for the top case, racing stripes, but also if you wanted to do a color change or add our carbon fiber, this would be a good video for you to view. So this particular video is just going to concentrate on the center part that encircles the BRP emblem, and they're just going to be some helpful tips to show you how to apply it. So like with all of our products, before we start installing, we always want to prep the surface, make sure that it's silicone free, that it has no wax on it. One of the best ways to do this is with our 70% rubbing alcohol and kitchen paper towel. So we've done that for the sake of the video, so it's prepped. The next thing that we did is we've taped a center hinge up the middle of the material, and that is going to help us place the product where we want it to fall. Now, this particular piece does not have transfer tape on it. In some cases, you may have transfer tape. It doesn't really have an impact on the techniques that we're going to show you today, other than once it would be installed, you would peel the transfer tape off the top of it. But the center hinge is going to be the same whether you have it or don't have it. So positioning, you're going to want to make sure that you're within the edges of the panel along the leading edge of the back, and making sure that your top points fall evenly on both sides. It's a little bit of a challenge to do that, but once you have it in position and you know that's where you want it, we feel ours is pretty reasonable for the sake of the video, considering that this product isn't going to stay on. Then you can just give yourself a few pieces of insurance tape, which is basically to hold it in place while you do your first half. So we put those two pieces on, and maybe one across the top front, just because. All right, so what you're going to do now, once you have the surface prepped, you're ready to start your install, it's taped into position, you love where it is, you are going to peel back half of the design, peeling the wrapping film off the paper, and basically you want to fold it on top of the surface. So once you get to your tape hinge, then you're going to take scissors or a knife, and you're going to cut the material away. Be careful not to cut the film or nick your top case. All right, so once that's off, like so many of our videos, you're going to basically start your application. And of course, almost everything that we're offering is going to be wrapping film. So the cool thing about wrapping film is you can lay it on the surface and pick it back up, move it around. You have a lot of freedom without worry that the product, as soon as it hits the surface, is going to stick. So that's a great advantage. So for this, basically, I just kind of flop the material into position, lightly set it, and then we're just going to start squeegeeing over top of where the paper ends and the material starts. So, oh look, we have a bunch. All right, if that's the case, you get a little bunch, it doesn't matter. Just pick it back up. The film is very forgiving. So we're working from the center to the outsides, just like in our front videos. You can see the material basically falls into place. Now my squeegee's wet from the last video, which was the paint protection film, but typically your squeegee's going to be dry. The squeegee that we give you will have the felt edge as well, but ignore the fact that it has water on it. So we're just squeegeeing to the outsides. You can see that the film just lays right out. Very user-friendly, very easy to work with. Sorry that I used satin black. once you get the material down, now it's tacked to the surface, so we don't need our center hinge anymore. The center hinge is to hold it in place as we get started. Now you can see I left this tail up because the tape was underneath it, so keep that in mind. So we're going to eliminate our tape, and basically we're going to repeat the same process of what we did to get started. So we're going to fold the material back, eliminate the paper, grab your material, keep tension on it, don't overstretch it, just put tension on it. Set it into place. The flatter you get this material before you start squeegeeing, the easier your application is going to be. So, like I said, I didn't pull it crazy tight, but it's tight enough that when we squeegee it, it's going to lay right out without any wrinkles at all. So again, we're kind of going from the middle and working our way to the outsides. Hopefully you can see that in the video. When you get down to the emblem, we're going to kind of work our way around it. Now we have the left and right side. I'm just kind of leaving those kind of flopsy. See that? So they're flopped. So we're squeegeeing down and around. And then if you want, you can continue to your outside there, down and around. And that side's down. Same with this. When we get to it, you can pick it back up, make sure that it's nice and loose, and go around that emblem area. And with the wrapping film that we're using, it's so user-friendly. So once you have it all installed, you can take a little bit of light heat, say with a hair dryer, and go over top of it, squeegeeing it back down, just to make sure that you have everything squeegeed out properly. But this is what you should end up with, and you can see, I mean, that was not a lot of effort. And like I said, I apologize for using satin black, but it was what I had available to show you this video. I'm primarily concerned for application techniques for this. So once it's on, you can apply light heat. Wrapping film typically takes about 2 weeks to set up, but because it's a dry mount install, if you put heat on it, it probably would be safe to ride as long as it's a dry day after you install it. But you just want to make sure that all your edges are nice and tight. And like I said, in about 2 weeks it'll set up. As far as care and maintenance, we're recommending spray wax, something like turtle wax ice and a microfiber towel. And you can do that regularly when you prep your bike. Just spritz a little bit on the towel and wipe your surface when you're doing a quick detail, and that will help to keep the film looking good as well as lasting long. So just like how you maintain your bike, the wrapping film will react the same way. So if you care for it very well and take care of it and keep it waxed and cleaned, washed, etc., that's going to contribute to longer lasting material as well. So that was a quick real-time video, about 8 minutes, 37 seconds, to show you how to apply our BRP Can-Am Spyder top case center solid stripe. Like I said, we have more configurations available as well as colors and finishes. You can see these on our website. This top case comes on the 2020 and up Spyder RT Limited, and the I believe it's the 2016 or 17 Can-Am Spyder F3 Limited, might be 17. So top case is the same. All the products are going to be interchangeable no matter if you have an F3 or an RT. Contact us with any questions that you have. We're happy to help. You can email us at sales@wrapmyspyder.com. Or feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out. And this is Pete with wrapmyspyder.com. We thank you so much for watching. We hope that this video proved helpful with a dry mount application.